E nosso colega Daniela viaja para o exterior esse mantra em Lomba para assinar representar Aruba de um concurso de beleza. Miss Beauty World 2015 e agora nós te chama Daniela back bom mini e no mesmo momento done hope para bem para tour su logro e a pone nome de Aruba viaje mais de alto.
Hi everybody! Some of you have been wondering where I've been over the past week. Well, I've been participating in the Miss Beauty World pageant in the Dominican Republic. It has been a very rigorous week with long nights and early mornings, but I must say it was a very rewarding experience. I met lovely ladies from all around the Caribbean and Latin America, and now I can proudly say that I was able to win the grand prize, which is the winning prize of all of the Miss categories. I am overjoyed, and I'd like to thank all of my viewers and the entire island for your support. But be sure to tune back in tomorrow for more details on the entire event. See you soon!
Daniela gana diferentes premios de Best National Costume Fantasy, Best Speech, Best Interview, Grand Prize Miss Beauty World International y compitiendo contra países de manera Guatemala, Kosovo, Puerto Rico, Venezuela, Panamá, de República Dominicana y así mucho más. Un palabra y bien un viaje más full party de full team de Team G5 para Daniela.